Hi everyone, welcome to week 6 of Writing 111. Remember that today your personal narrative is due, so that's what you should be focused on. Tomorrow begins our next unit, the rhetorical analysis. So you'll see here in the classroom that I have put in all the work for the next module, and the sequence is going to look really similar to what we did for the first essay, the personal narrative. This week, in terms of media, I want you to focus on reading this backpacks versus briefcases article. If you've gone over your 10 free articles for the New York Times, you can find the same article through the consortium library, and here's a link. So make sure that you have gotten this article read before class on Tuesday. A lot of students struggle with rhetorical analysis, and this first reading will help set that important stage for you. I've also included the slides that I'll use in class, and I'd love it if you gave this petition to rename Suicide Peak from a couple of years ago before class, because that's an important example of how rhetorical analysis has functioned here locally. This week, in terms of homework, I just have a very brief rhetorical analysis activity for you that we'll talk about in class on Tuesday. So you'll see that in week 7, we'll do a large group workshop. The biggest difference between this assignment and the personal narrative is that you're going to be drawing on source material. And so as a tool to help you build your paper, you'll summarize one source of information with some analysis in week 7. You'll do another one in week 8 along with the small group workshop. In week 9, you'll submit a draft and engage in peer review. And in week 10, you'll submit the rhetorical analysis assignment. I also highly recommend that you start by looking at this assignment. It's not due until week 10, but you are going to conduct a rhetorical analysis of a local monument or landmark. So you might be thinking this week about some landmarks that might be meaningful to you, and we'll talk more about them in class on Tuesday. So good luck getting your personal narratives turned in, and I'll look forward to reading those soon. Take care and see you in class on Tuesday. Be prepared for a short comprehension check on the rhetorical analysis reading.